Hello, everybody. Scott Golden here with the Golden Opportunities Coaching YouTube channel. Welcome to those of you who are new. Welcome back to those of you seasoned veterans of what we do around here. What we do around here is we bring about conversations about a variety of topics: social, emotional, psychological, relational, professional. We talk about a bunch of things, and the more complete we are and the more consistent we are, the better changes we can make for the world around us, and making positive changes is always, or almost always, a good thing. In any event, hopefully you're doing well. We have over 500 and I think it's 530, something like that now. Audio is available, so hopefully something you enjoy. Please like, comment, subscribe below, all that good stuff. If you're looking to make better habits for yourself, create more wealth of experience in your life, be it financial wealth, emotional wealth, depth of relationships, all that good stuff, please feel free to reach out. There's two ways to do that. You can do it through my website, which is available in the About Me section of this YouTube page, or you can go on Twitter and get in touch with me through @POPerception. Either way, that'll work. We could make something happen in a positive way there. We're going to talk about habits of rich people. The first is have a morning routine. Have something you do that starts your morning off well. This means something as simple as get up around the same time every day. Take some time for relaxation, meditation, focused prayer, whatever it is that you do, and then kind of set a list of things you want to accomplish for the day and kind of map out how you'll use your time. When you have a routine that takes somewhere between 30 to 60 minutes when you get up in the morning to kind of engineer your day in a direction you want it to go, the easier it will be to not waste time. One of the most non-productive things people do, and they don't realize how much they're costing themselves, is they say, "Oh, I've got a list of things to do today." Okay, have you organized your list? Have you prioritized your list in order of the quickest things to do to the most complicated? Because if you get a bunch of stuff done, you're going to have more adrenaline to get yourself through those harder tasks because you're going to feel more accomplished. Have that morning routine of organizing your day so that it's interesting. And then the next is know what you want to accomplish, but also know what you want to feel. So, it's two parts to being successful. Obviously, the physical accomplishment. Did I make the phone calls I needed to make? Did I spend time with the people I needed to? Did I value those relationships? But also, knowing what emotional state you're trying to get into. And obviously, we can't stay in happy and joyed and overexcited all the time, but if maybe we want to feel accomplished today, maybe we want to feel like we learned something today, maybe we want to feel like we spent time with people and enriched relationships today. There's emotional states to every action we take, and when you set out to make your emotional state count, when you set out to make your emotional state matter, you will get more out of your life on a daily, weekly, monthly, yearly basis. This is because you're living intentionally rather than by the seat of your pants. The next is nurture your soul. Now, your soul is the essence of your being and the things that motivate you. Some people believe that's a religious thing. Some people, we all have a soul regardless of our beliefs. And for the purposes of this conversation, it doesn't matter either way. But your soul, the essence of your being, your motivating factors, the things that drive you, the things that light you up, make sure that you're spending time with those activities every day. If it's studying certain religious or spiritual teachers, if it's playing a musical instrument, if it's creating visual art, if it's nurturing certain relationships, whatever you need to do to enrich your quality of life and fulfillment, make sure you are making time on a daily basis to accomplish those things. It doesn't matter if it's 15 to 30 minutes or if it's a day retreat or a vacation, but on purpose figuring out how to nurture your inner being on a daily basis is important. The next is have an evening routine and kind of an unwind routine. Just as a morning routine to get yourself started is important, having a routine of reflection and to take proper care of yourself is important as well. This could be something as simple as, okay, I watch half an hour TV and then I meditate and then I listen to rainfall on the rooftop, and then I go to sleep. Whatever it is, but having that evening routine, having that routine of what am I going to do next, but also how am I going to unwind and decompress from the challenges of the day, not allowing things to overwhelm me, that's super, super important. Failure to do so means you're losing time, it means you're losing energy, it means you're losing effectiveness and effort and all that stuff that you don't want to lose. And it's just super important to be mindful of getting to a place within yourself where you begin to understand the value of what you're trying to really fully accomplish. The last thing in this particular audio is time management. Make sure that you have things regimented. How do I spend my morning? How do I spend my evening? How do I spend my weekends? How do I spend my holidays? And it doesn't mean you have to go down to every minute, but some people work better if they break things down into quarter hour or 15-minute segments. Other people it's half hour. Other people it's hour segments or every 2 hours. Find a way to regiment your time. Make sure that the tasks that need to get accomplished have a place in your day so that, I know that phone calls take place for me from X to Y every day. I know that talking with people that matter to me or responding to emails go from here to here. I know that relaxation or watching my favorite TV show or listening to music goes from here to here. When you manage your time well, you get more out of the time you're awake, which means you accomplish more in the end. So, hopefully, this is helpful. I encourage you to keep your feet on the ground, your mind in the moment.